కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ 2008 లో స్థాపించిన కళాశాలలో MBA, NAC A గ్రేడ్ మరియు ISO సర్టిఫికేషన్ సాధించిన మొట్టమొదటి కళాశాల శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ త్వరలో అటానమస్ కాబోతోంది. 2014లో ISO గుర్తింపు, 2015లో రాష్ట్ర ప్రభుత్వంచే A గ్రేడ్, 2016లో NAC A గ్రేడ్, ఇప్పుడు NBA సాధించిన సంస్థ శ్రీ ముత్తవరపు వెంకటేశ్వరరావు కాలేజ్ ఆఫ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ అండ్ టెక్నాలజీ.
In last video lecture I was discussed multiplexer and demultiplexer. So I have already told you mux is 2 power n into 1. So demux is a 1 into 2 power n. It is a reverse operation of mux. In the same manner decoder and encoder also there. Today video lecture I have discussed the decoder and encoder. So decoder is a combinational logic circuit. It accepts a set of inputs that represented in a binary numbers, that means zeros and ones. Decoder accepts a set of inputs that represent the binary numbers and activity only the output corresponding to the input number, all other outputs remaining inactive. So I have problems I have discussed briefly. In decoder, it has 2 power n possible inputs and n output. Each decoder has a enable input also there. So you have to observe, this is the decoder block diagram. Here n number of inputs and m number of outputs. Here 2 to 4 decoder. So this is the n into 2 power n. N is the number of inputs, 2 power n is the number of output. For example, n equal to 2. That means 2 into 2 power 2. That means 4 into, that means 2 into 4 decoder. So here 2 inputs, 4 outputs. This is the functional block diagram. Here A and B are the inputs, D0, D1, D2, D3 are the outputs. 2 to 4 line decoder, it has a 2 inputs, 4 output. You have, once again I will tell you, this is very very important formula. 2 power n into 2 power n is the decoder. Encoder is a reverse operation, 2 power n into n. After completion of decoder I will tell you the encoder also. So we have observed, don't get confused, mux is the 2 power n into 1. This is the mux, this is the decoder. We have observed clearly. Here n is the number of inputs, here 2 power n is the number of input, here 2 power n is the number of outputs, here 1 is the output. So based on the functional block diagram, here 2 inputs are there, 4 outputs. This is our truth table. For 2 input means 4 possible conditions are there. 2 power 2, that means 4, 0, 1, 2, 3. We are representing the binary values in the inputs, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. That is our inputs. First we are applying 0, 0. 0, 0, that means D0 will be active, remaining all are inactive. That means outputs are, we are putting 1 in D0. Second condition we are applying 0, 1. So in the same manner 0, 1 we are applying. So D1 will be active, remaining all are inactive. Next we are applying 1, 0. D2 will be active, remaining all are inactive. Next we are applying 1, 1. D3 will be active, remaining all are inactive. We have observed clearly, we are getting the cross ones. So this is our 2 to 4 line decoder. In that truth table we are designing the circuit diagram also. So we have observed where D0 we are getting 1 here. Based on this one we are writing the equation D0 equal to, so here A in SOP form, A bar, B bar are the equation. Same thing, D1 equal to, we are getting output here 1 here, so A bar B. Next one, the D2 we are getting 1, that means condition A B bar. Based on that we have observed clear, this is our 4 equation condition. So we are designing the circuit diagram. So in that circuit diagram, we have observed clearly, here A and B are the input. So we are designing A, here we are designing A and B, and B are the inputs. So and also A bar and B bar also there. Based on A bar and B bar we are designing, putting one NOT gate here. Same thing, putting one NOT gate here, because here also getting A. So in the term we are getting A bar, same thing we are getting B bar here. So our first equation is the A bar B bar. So A bar B bar is the our first equation, A bar B bar. Here A bar B bar multiplying, so we are designing one AND gate. Same, next one is the A bar B. So A bar, this is the B, again we are designing one AND gate. Next one is the A B bar. Here A B bar, you are putting one AND gate. Next one is the A B. So here A, this is the B, we are designing one AND gate. So we are designing, so this is our circuit diagram. Here A bar B bar is there, getting output here, A bar B getting output here, A B bar getting output here, A B. So this is the designing the circuit diagram. Next one is the 3 to 8, that means 3 input 8 output. 3 inputs are A B C are the inputs, 8 possible output, that means D0 D1 D2 D3 D4 D5 D6 D7 D8 are the output. So 3 input means we are writing 4 to 1 code, that means 000 to 111 condition we are writing. We have to observe, this is our truth table. So 000, that means this is the value of 0. Next 001, this is the value of 1. Next 010, this is the value of 2. Next 011, this is the value of 3, because this is the 4 to 1 code. So 3 input means 2 power 3, that means 8 possible state, that means 0 to 7. So 0 to 7 we are representing 4 to 1 code. So in the same manner we are representing using 4 to 1. This is the value of 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So first we are applying 000 in the inputs. So that means D0 will be active, remaining all are inactive. Next we are applying 1, that means D1 will be active, remaining all are inactive. Next we are applying 010, that means D2 will be active, remaining all are inactive. Next 011 we are applying, so next D3 will be active. Next 4 we are applying, D4 will be active. 5 we are applying, D5 will be active. 6 we are applying, D6 will be active. 7 we are applying, D7 will be active. This is the truth table. Based on truth table we are writing the equations. Equation first we have observed, here we are getting 1. So based on that equation, D0 equal to, so in SOP form 0 will be there, means it indicates the bar. 1 will be indicates there is no bar on the letter. So here 0 0 0, that is the value of A, that is the value of B, that is the value of C. So based on that condition, A bar B bar C bar is the first one. Next one here 1, that means D1 equal to A bar B bar C. Next one is the A bar B C bar, A bar B C bar. Next one is the A bar BC. Next one is the A, B bar, C bar. Next one is the A, B bar, C. Next one is the A, B, C bar. Next one is the ABC. So we are writing the equation. Sorry, in this PPT some mistakes are there. Don't worry. This is the how to write the equation. This method is we are using. So we have, once again I will tell you, in output side where it is 1 will be occurred. Note down the opposite value of the left hand side values. In left hand side 0 will be there. That is the indication of bar on the letter. So here A is the, so A bar, B bar, C. Next A bar, B bar, C. Next one is the A bar, B, C bar. Next one is the A bar, B, C. Next one is the A, B bar, C bar. Next one is the A, B bar, C. Next one is the A, B, C bar. And last one is the A, B, C. So based on that equation, we are designing the circuit diagram. So A, B, C are the input. So we are designing A, B, C, and A bar, B bar, C bar also there. So we are designing one NOT gate to the circuit. So first equation is the A bar, B bar, C bar. Here we are A bar. We are designing A bar, B bar, C. So A bar, B bar, C bar are the multiplying. So we are designing one AND gate. So based on the equations, we are designing the circuit diagram for circuit diagram. So next one is the expression of decoder. So the number of lower order decoder is implementing higher order decoder. So where the lower order number required M2 by M1, where M1 is the number of output of lower order decoder, M2 is the number of output of higher order decoder. This is our expression of the decoder formula. This is the very important in exam point of view. This question is frequently asked in J&K. So and gate point of view also. Please observe 3 to 8 decoder from 2 to 4 decoder. So that person was asking design 3 to 8 decoder using from 2 to 4 decoder. So using 2 to 4 decoder, we are designing the 3 to 8 decoder. 2 to 4 decoder means first we have to observe 2 to 4 decoder means 2 inputs 4 output. Based on this decoder, we are designing the 3 into 8. So here 3 inputs 8 out, 3 inputs 8 outputs, 2 inputs 4 outputs. So clearly not mentioning clearly how many 2 to 4 decoders are used. You can use to satisfy the condition. You can use 1 or 2 or 3, whatever the condition you will be satisfied. Use that 2 to 4 decoder. I am using 2 to 4 decoders. I am using 2 to 4 decoders. 2 to 4 decoder, 2 to 4 decoder I am using. Here outputs we are adding only, inputs we are not adding. So our problem is 3 to 8 decoder. So we are getting 8 outputs, here also we are getting 8. That means 2 to 4 decoders we are using. So another here 2 inputs and 3 inputs. So one input is remaining, one input we are designing. So again we are using enable pin. So already I was discussed before start the section. Encoder and decoder having the enable input. So based on that enable input, we are connecting the both enable inputs. We have observed first clearly. So I was design the circuit diagram. This is the first 2 to 4 decoder. This is the second 2 to 4 decoder. Those are the outputs. Those are the outputs. So D0 to D7, total 8. So DXY, here XY. XY are we are connecting. So this is the enable pin, this is the enable. So enable to enable we are connecting, putting one inverter between the enable to enable. So we are putting one inverter enable pin means that pin act as a input. Why we are putting enable pin means first we are applying in enable pin 0. Based on that enable pin we are getting 1 here. That means this 2 to 4 decoder will be active, this 2 to 4 decoder will be inactive condition we are getting the. So putting the inverter between the enable pins. So we are designing this enable pin, putting one inverter. So this pin act as also input. So X, Y enable are the 3 inputs, D0 to D7 are the 8 outputs. So that is 3 to 8 decoder we are design. First we have analysis the question. What is the question I was asked? So 3 to 8 decoder from 2 to 4 decoder. So we are using 2 to 4 decoder implementing the 3 to 8 decoder. So 3 to 8 decoder, whatever the condition will be satisfied, take 1 or 2 or 3, 4, whatever it may be. You can take 2 to 4 decoders or 3 to 4 decoders satisfy the condition. So this is the one question frequently asked. So next one is the implement the following multiple output function using a suitable decoder. So here f1 a comma b comma c comma equal to sigma m I was already indicated. This is the SOP form, sigma m 047, that is the D indicate the don't care condition 2 3. Next f2 is the 156, f3 is 024. Here f of ABC. So here brackets, so the ABC are the inputs. We have observed that this equation, all conditions are between 0 to 7. Here 3 inputs are there, that means 3 into 8 decoder. If in case you don't know getting the logic mean, first we have to observe whatever the values given the problem, what is the last value, that means highest value of the problem and the least value of the problem. Between that problem, in case 2 to 4 decoder means values will be 0 to 3 values only indicate the problem. 3 to 8 decoder means values between 0 to 7 values will be indicated. So we have observed A, B, C are the inputs, 0 to 7 are the output. First f of 1, 0 is there, we are designing 0. Next 4 is there, so based on the 4. Next 7 is there, based on the 7. This is next 2 is there, 2, based on the 2. Next 3 is there, based on the 3. We are designing one OR gate. So F1 1 5 6, we are design 1 5 6. Next 0 2 4 6, we are designing the connecting the OR gate. This is the one of the example. So another example you have to observe, implemented the Boolean function using suitable decoder. Here we are using X, Y, Z. So here enable pin is not considered X, Y, Z. So that means 3 inputs are there, 0 to 7 outputs are there. So first we are designing F1 157. This is the, we are designing 1 value. Next we are designing 5 value. Again we are designing 7 value. So 1 OR gate. So next 0 3, we are designing 0 value and 3 value. Next 2 4 5. So we are designing 2 4 5 giving the OR gate. This is the Boolean functions implemented in decoder. Next one, this is also another example. In a combinational circuit is define the following Boolean function. Design circuit with a decoder and actional gates. So and actional gates. So f1 of x comma y comma z equal to x y z bar plus x z. f2 of x y z equal to x z. So first we have to identify the equation. So this is general SOP form. First this equation can be converted into standard SOP form. So whatever the letter, I was already told you, whatever the letter missing in the SOP form, letter and its complement we are writing and implementing. So first we are missing the letter in the equation. In this letter also we are missing y. So first we are solving the equation x bar y bar z bar plus x missing letter plus its complement into z. So x bar y bar z bar plus x y z plus x y bar z. This is the value of 0 0 0, that means this value will be 1. This is the value of 1 1 1, this value will be 7. This is the value of 1 0 1. This is the value of 5. That means 1 5, sorry, 0 5 7. We are getting 0 5 7. So same thing also we are implementing this equation also, we are getting 1 2 3 6. So this is the equation. After that we are designing the 3 to 8 decoder and giving the connection to the circuit diagram. Next one is the encoder. It is also combinational logic circuit. It is a reverse operation of decoder. I have already told you decoder is a n into 2 power n. Here 2 power n into n. It is a reverse. This is the decoder. This is the encoder. Decoder is n into 2 power n. Encoder is a 2 power n into n. Here 2 power n inputs, n outputs. So it is a reverse operation of decoding. Encoder is converted input signal into coded output signal. That means here we are giving input signal. That means 0. That means we are giving 0 1 2 3. So this signal can be converted into coded. Then that means 0 we are converting 0 0, 1 we are converting 0 1, 2 we are converting 1 0, 3 we are converting 1 1. Based on the conditions we are converting. So this is the circuit diagram of encoder. This is the m inputs, n outputs. So there are different types of encoder: priority encoder, BCD to decimal encoder, octal to binary encoder, hexadecimal to binary. So this is the encoder circuit diagram. First we have to observe m equal to 4 to this is the encoder. So again we are converting. This is the mixed of encoder and decoder. We have observed this circuit diagram. This is the encoder circuit diagram. This is the decoder circuit diagram. We are mixing both encoder and decoder. So next one is the next is the 4 into 2 encoder. Next is the 4 into 2 encoder. That means it has 4 inputs, 1 2 3 4, 2 output. So here 4 inputs means, so here same we are getting 4 inputs 0 1 2 3. Here outputs A0 A or B. Based on that 0 will be converted. I am designing the truth table. This is the truth table for the encoder. This is the 0 1 2 3 are the inputs. Those are the outputs. So first here 0 we are converting 0 0 and 0 1 0 1. Next we are converting 1 0. Next we are converting 1 1. So here this is the value of A. Note down the where it will be 1 akkada. Note down the 1 it will be occur means here 1 and 1. Note down the opposite value. A equal to 2 plus 3. B equal to again 1 plus 3. So we are designing the circuit diagram. This is the how to design the circuit diagrams. I will tell you. This is the circuit diagram. 0 1 2 3. This is the value of 0 0 1 2 3. First our A we are getting 2 plus 3. We are designing 2 3. This is the again we are getting 1 3. This is the value of A. This is the value of B. This is the encoder circuit diagram. Based on 4 into 2, 8 into 3, same we are getting the circuit diagram. So next one is the priority encoder. Priority encoder also very important. So for example, all the names indicate the priority given input line. 2 or more input lines are high at the same time. That means one at the same time, then the input line with high priority shall be considered. For example, one organization is there. in that organization, first priority will be the principal. Based on the principal, next priority will be the department HODs. After that, next priority will be the staff. The next priority will be the student. So based on that, in that organization, first priority is the principal. One organization is there, on that organization first priority is the principal, next priority is the HODs, next priority is the staff, next priority is the students. So in the same manner, in the priority encoder, it has 4 inputs, 2 outputs. So here 4 input means D0 to, based on we are writing 8421 code 0 to 15. Here principal is the first priority. So after that principal, next HOD will the next priority, staff will be the next priority, student will be the next priority. Here 1x indicate the only 0 or 1 value, 2x indicates 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, 3x indicate 421 code. Based on that 421 code, we are implementing in the on the priority encoder. So after that, we are writing the K-map. So in next class, we will discuss the clearly priority encoder and decimal to BCD encoder and truth table. So decimal to BCD encoder circuit diagram, octal to binary encoder circuit diagram, truth table, we are explaining in the next video lecture. Thank you.